Alexandra. It must be me. I am more capable of ruling this land. You idiot!
I want this woman out! Out!
You'll pay for this, Ptolemy! You'll pay for this!
Call me your highness.
Yes.
Cleopatra gathered an army in Syria, but was unable to assert her claim until the Roman general
Si Mingo.
and valiant Caesar arrived at Alexandria.
Yan o. Hoy, 1 3 1 3.
Lord,
I'm calling from Carlo. I must be allowed to take the have important message. A message from Rome wants to talk to me.
Oh, daming picture.
Arise!
After years of ruling Egypt, Cleopatra became Caesar's mistress. She gave birth to a son, Caesarion, later Ptolemy 14.
Mami, and Tata Cleopatra.
Putting command and create this child his father's guard. And let Caesar carry in his hand to shout that my son will rule Alexandria forever.
Nakikibaka ba ako ito bigyan?
Wah, gimana dong sih ketawa?